Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of some major Chinese data today. But first, Wall Street is rising. The Dow Index is at 18,000, the first time at that level since July 2015. The New York Fed boss commented overnight that American economic conditions are mostly favourable, although he confirmed their policy would remain cautious because of threats to the global economy. And China has agreed to scrap export subsidies on a range of products in a step to reduce frictions in bilateral trade. Facing a WTO challenge, China has agreed to end a program which provides export subsidies to Chinese companies in 7 economic sectors, including textiles, light industry, specialty chemicals, medical products, hardware, advanced materials and metals, as well as for agriculture. This U-turn comes as the country makes increasing efforts to reduce surplus manufacturing capacity. And staying in China, prices for new homes in the country's biggest cities are rising sharply, led by the southern boomtown of Shenzhen, where prices jumped a staggering 60% in March compared with the same month a year ago. The real estate resurgence comes as growth across the country is slowing, providing a welcome and significant boost. And real estate is now the fastest growing sector in their economy. That data is for March. In April, the giant boom in China's $3 trillion corporate bond market is starting to unravel. Bloomberg is reporting a fresh wave of defaults at state-owned enterprises, which are spooking investors in China's yuan-dominated company notes, and which have driven up yields for 9 of the past 10 days and triggered the biggest sell-off in onshore debt junk since 2014. Local issuers have cancelled more than $9 billion worth of bond sales in April alone, while Standard & Poor's is cutting its assessment of Chinese firms at a pace unseen since 2003. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury yield is a little higher today at 1.78%. The oil price is now just under $40 a barrel in the US, while Brent is just under $43 a barrel. It fell sharply following the failure of the OPEC talks, but has gained as markets focus on a Kuwaiti oil workers' strike. The gold price is unchanged at $1,233 an ounce. And finally today, the New Zealand dollar opens at 69.4 US cents, and that's its highest level against the greenback since June 2015. It's at 89.7 Aussie cents and 61.4 euro cents. The TWI is at 72.2. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.